Components of ecosystem. Ecosystem are composed of both abiotic and biotic components. Each of these components play a critical role in shaping the structure and function of ecosystems. Some more example of the main components of ecosystems are: number 1, abiotic components. Atmosphere. The atmosphere is a thin layer of gas that surrounds the earth. It plays a critical role in regulating temperature and weather pattern, as well as providing oxygen and carbon dioxide for living organisms. Water. Water is a critical component of all ecosystems, providing the medium in which living organisms live and facilitating nutrient cycling and other ecosystem processes. Soil. Soil is a complex mixture of organic matter, minerals, and microorganisms that provides the foundation for terrestrial ecosystems. It serves as a medium for plant growth, support a diverse community of soil-dwelling organisms, and play a critical role in nutrient cycling. Light. Light is a critical abiotic component for ecosystems that rely on photosynthesis for energy. It provides the energy needed for photosynthesis and influences the distribution and growth of plants and other photosynthetic organisms. Temperature. Temperature is an important abiotic factor that influences the distribution and activities of living organisms. Different species have different temperature requirements for growth and survival, and changes in temperature can affect ecosystem processes such as nutrient cycling and decomposition. Number 2, biotic components. Producers. Producers are the autotrophic organisms that form the base of the food chain. They include plant, algae, and some bacteria, and they use energy from the sun to produce organic matter through photosynthesis. Consumers. Consumers are the heterotrophic organisms that rely on producers for energy. They include herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores, and they play a critical role in transferring energy and nutrients through the food chain. Decomposers. Biodiverse decomposers are the microorganisms that break down dead plants and animal matter, releasing nutrients back into the ecosystem. They include bacteria, fungi, and detritivores such as earthworms. Biodiversity. Biodiversity refers to variety of species and ecosystems on Earth. Biodiversity is a critical component of ecosystems, providing a range of ecological functions such as pollination, nutrient cycling, and pest control. Keystone species. Keystone species are species that have disproportionate impact on ecosystem structure and function relative to their abundance. Example include predators that control herbivore populations and pollinators that facilitate plant reproduction. Overall, the components of ecosystem are complex and interconnected with abiotic and biotic components influencing each other in a variety of ways. Understanding these concepts is critical for effectively managing and conserving ecosystems in a rapidly changing world.